As you listen, in last video chapter 3 Karma Yoga Shloka 01 to 16. Now listen chapter 3 Karma Yoga Shloka 17 to 35. Please like, share and subscribe for more. Bhagavan said, Yastvatmartirev syādatmatriptasht manvah. Atmanyev cha santushtastasya karya na vidyate. One who is, however, taking pleasure in the self, who is illumined in the self, who rejoices in and is satisfied with the self only, fully satiated, for him there is no duty. Sanjay said, Nav tasya kritenartho na kritene kaschan. Na chasya sarvabhuteshu kaschidarthvyapashrayah. A self-realized man has no purpose to fulfill in the discharge of his prescribed duties, nor has he any reason not to perform such work. Nor has he any need to depend on any other living being. तस्मात् सक्तः सक्तं कार्यं कर्म समाचर. असक्तो ह्याचरण कर्म परमाप्नोति पुरुषः. Therefore, without being attached to the fruits of activities, one should act as a matter of duty, for by working without attachment, one attains the supreme. कर्मणैव हि संसिद्धिमा स्थिता जनकादयः. लोक संग्रह में वापि संपश्यन कर तुमर्हसि. Even kings like Janka and others attained the perfectional stage by performance of prescribed duties. Therefore, just for the sake of educating the people in general, you should perform your work. Yadyadacharti shreshthastdevetro janah. Sayat pramanam kurute lokastadnuvartate. Whatever action is performed by a great man, common men follow in his footsteps. And whatever standards he sets by exemplary acts, all the world pursues. Name parthasti kartavyan trishu lokeshu kinchan. Nanvaptam vaptavyan vart ev cha karmani. O son of Pratha, there is no work prescribed for me within all the three planetary systems. Nor am I in want of anything, nor have I need to obtain anything, and yet I am engaged in work. यदि ह्येह न वर्तेयं जातु कर्मण्यतन्द्रितः. मम वर्तमानुवर्तन्ते मनुष्याः पार्थ सर्वशः. यदि उत्सीदेयुरिमे लोका न कुर्या कर्म चेदहम्. संकरस्य च कर्ता स्यामुपहन्यामिमाः प्रजाः. For if I did not engage in work, O Parth, certainly all men would follow my path. If I should cease to work, then all these worlds would be put to ruination. I would also be the cause of creating an unwanted population, and I would thereby destroy the peace of all sentient beings. Gita chapter 3 Shloka 25 to 35. The difference between an ignorant person and a wise person and the motivation to act. सक्ताः कर्मण्य विद्वांसो यथा कुर्वन्ति भारत. कुर्याद् विद्वांस तथा सक्तश्चिकीर्षुर् लोक संग्रहें. न बुद्धिभेदम जनेद ज्ञाना कर्मस्निग्ना. जोषेत सर्व कर्माणि विद्वान्युक्तः समाचरन्. As the ignorant perform their duties with attachment to results, similarly the learned may also act but without attachment, for the sake of leading people on the right path. Let not the wise disrupt the minds of the ignorant who are attached to fruitive action. They should not be encouraged to refrain from work, but to engage in work in the spirit of devotion. प्रकृतेः क्रियमाणानि गुणैः कर्माणि सर्वशः. अहंकार विमूढ़ात्मा कर्ताहमिति मन्यते. The bewildered spirit soul, under the influence of the three modes of material nature, thinks himself to be the doer of activities, which are in actuality carried out by nature. तत्त्ववित्तु महाबाहो गुणकर्म विभाग्यो है. गुणा गुणेषु वर्तन्त इति मत्वा न सज्जते. One who is in knowledge of the absolute truth, Almighty and, does not engage himself in the senses and sense gratification, knowing well the differences between work in devotion and work for fruitive results. प्रकृतेर्गुण सम्मूढ़ाः सज्जन्ते गुणकर्मसु. तानकृत्स्नविदो मंदानकृत्स्नविन्न विचाल्ये. Bewildered by the modes of material nature, the ignorant fully engage themselves in material activities and become attached. But the wise should not unsettle them, although these duties are inferior due to the performer's lack of knowledge. मयि सर्वाणि कर्माणि सन्न्यस्याध्यात्मचेतसा. निराशीर्निर्ममो भूत्वा युध्यस्व विगतज्वरः. Therefore, O Arjuna, surrendering all your works unto me, with mind intent on me, and without desire for gain and free from egoism and lethargy, 5. ये में मतमिदं नित्यं नुतिष्ठन्ति मानवा है. श्रद्धावन्तोन सुयन्तो मुच्यन्ते तेति कर्मभिः. One who executes his duties according to my injunctions, and who follows this, said in previous shlok, teaching faithfully, without envy, becomes free from the bondage of fruitive actions. ये त्वेतद्भ्यसूयन्तो नानुतिष्ठन्ति मे मतम्. सर्वज्ञान विमूढांस्तान् विद्धि नष्टांचेतसः. But those who, out of envy, disregard these teachings and do not practice them regularly, are to be considered bereft of all knowledge, befooled, and doomed to ignorance and bondage. सदृशं चेष्टते स्वस्याः प्रकृतेर्ज्ञानवानपि. प्रकृति यान्ति भूतानि निग्रह की करिष्यति. Even a man of knowledge acts according to his own nature, for every one follows his nature. What can repression accomplish? इंद्रियस्येन्द्रियस्यार्थे रागद्वेषौ व्यवस्थितौ. तयोर्न वशमागच्छेत्तौ ह्यस्य परिपन्थिनः. Attraction and repulsion for sense objects are felt by embodied beings, but one should not fall under the control of senses and sense objects because they are stumbling blocks on the path of self-realization. श्रेयान् स्वधर्मो विगुणः परधर्मात् स्वनुष्ठितात्. स्वधर्मे निधनः श्रेयः परधर्मो भयावहः. It is far better to discharge one's prescribed duties, even though they may be faulty, than another's duties. Destruction in the course of performing one's own duty is better than engaging in another's duties, for to follow another's path is dangerous.